Hello guys. Yes, so at last I am making pizza. Isn't it yummy? Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm like making a video after a very long time, and especially a vlog. I had actually taken a decision to not make videos, but I really feel a little incomplete without making videos. And when I see every +1 subscribers to my subscribing count, I feel no, I should not give up on my YouTube channel. It's something that I have really worked hard for. Okay, so it's something that I have really worked hard for and I don't want to give up. So guys, I don't know, from the last few months I have taken many decisions, and मतलब मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सोचा, काफ़ी कुछ आपको कहा, नाम भी चेंज करने की कोशिश करी, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा YouTube चैनल चलना चाहिए. मैं इसमें व्लॉग्स बनाऊंगी एंड मेरे Instagram पे आप देखिए, मैंने वहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के रिव्यूज़, शॉर्ट रिव्यूज़, एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली शॉर्ट रिव्यूज़ ब्रीफली लिखा हुआ है. तो मुझे से लग रहा है कि Instagram अभी रिव्यूज़ के लिए ठीक है, और अभी मैं अपना चैनल, YouTube चैनल थोड़ा व्लॉग करती हूँ, थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाऊँगी व्लॉग्स में, ताकि आपको देख के आपका मनोरंजन हो. यस. Okay, I don't know why it was so tough talking in Hindi, but it shouldn't be. So we are gonna do vlogs in Hindi too. So yes, and I'm super happy today because I'm making a vlog. Anyways, I have thought that I'll be vlogging like Fridays and Saturdays, and I'll put up the vlog on Sundays. I don't know if this will work out for me. Like, as I'm thinking, it's like a brilliant idea, but I hope I can really practically do it and edit it by Saturday night, or like Sunday morning, and then by afternoon I can upload. So this is what I'm planning. Now let's see what goes on. And also to tell you, my I have started doing my course. I'm doing fashion and stitching advanced course, because there were many things, as you know, I have I'm doing side boutique also from home. So there were many things that I didn't know, because it's been a very long time, and I have worked in firms like for Saudis and all, that Eastern countries. We used to make outfits for them. Okay, that's just enough. Okay, so I really wanted to get the game on what is going right now in the Indian fashion, the plazos, the shararas, combos and everything. So I thought, why not to do a course on that. So I've just started. It's been 2 weeks. It's going really good. This was also one of the reasons I couldn't make videos. So I got so irritated that I was not getting time to make videos. So I took a decision to not make videos anymore. Anyways, but this seems good idea. And yes, if you will comment down below and let me know that what you like to see in my vlogs, that would be really great. I can also do get ready with me and haul videos in my vlogs, because that's really interesting. And yes, and Christmas is coming, so I really want to go shopping for Sahib actually. So I was planning to vlog that, so I'm going to vlog that as well. And yes, today is actually Wednesday. Oh no, so sorry, today is Friday. So it's Friday, it's currently 11 p.m. and Sahib is yet not sleeping, so we were just playing. Then I thought I should just start my vlog. And yes, so I'll see you tomorrow, and I might start the vlog in the morning, what I'm cooking or something. Let's do that, because that's always interesting. Food is always interesting. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's day, it's Saturday, and again the day has passed more than half. It's 7:15 p.m. and the day was little so I was cranky, and I don't know if he's not feeling well. He did not sleep the whole night properly, and same did I. So but thank God he got sleep now in the afternoon, and he's fresh but still a little cranky. Maybe it's teething, so I don't know. Okay, so so yeah, nothing special, but yeah, I might make pizzas, that to bread pizza. So I'll get back to that. Actually, I was supposed to vlog how to bleach at home. Yeah, this lighting is fine. How to bleach at home, but the thing is, I have called for the bleach, but I'm not getting. I was just finding, and I just wasted my 15 minutes. So anyways, what I got is what I have, but I am still thinking whether I should use it or no. Although it looks really good, but I could not find any review anywhere online. Yeah, and someone is digging my bag. He was playing with my sling bag, so I gave him an old one, so he's nicely playing. Okay, anyways, coming back to the products. So these are the products. I don't know, it got Timer Magic. So this is the lotion, this is the cleansing cream, and this is the serum. No, it's the eye cream, and I have one more serum. I have no clue how this might be. This is something that Amar bought for me when he had gone to China. Now, I might have tried this without even thinking, but this contains snail. What it contains? Snail essence. That's the reason they have this picture over here. If you can see a snail. So I'm so scared, and I asked Amar. He said I didn't even see that. Lady said this is the best skincare we use here. I was like, okay. So the cleansing cream looks like this, although the packaging and all is very good. I don't doubt the product, but the thing which says snail essence, it has some snails. I'm a non-vegetarian, but thinking about snails, they are so innocent, so cute. I don't know whether I should use this or not. A second. Okay, can you see that moon? So pretty. I have decided to make pizza, but if I don't, then I might end the vlog here. But if I did, I'm going to share the making of pizza with you guys. And I just want to ask you whether you like this idea of me vlogging, and do you follow me on Instagram, because I am posting really good pictures and reviews on Instagram. Oh, my bacha. Look at him. Look at this cutie baby. Yes, so at last I am making pizza, and what I have with me is and I have saibo also. I have tomato, I have capsicum, onion, I have sweet corn, I have broccoli. I have boiled these both. Brown bread I'm not making on the base, I'm making bread pizza. Then I have, okay, this is not Thousand Island, we have used this bottle for tomato ketchup. Okay, this is pizza pasta sauce and Szechuan chutney. Why is this? Because I'm not only going to put this, I'm going to add this. Like if I'm adding 2 spoons, then half spoon plus half spoon. So it's going to be this. And then I have goat cheese. So let's get started. So it's very simple. I just took bread, I put the sauce, put the veggies, and I'll put the masala, salt I have, and then we'll put the oven on preheat. just wait till it melts. First I will give it a grandma, then I'll give it to my mom, and then I eat. It's yummy. So this is how it looks like. Hi, even E ate little. So I like more of bread pizzas than those base. I don't like outside pizzas. Very rare I feel like eating, otherwise I don't. We go to Pizza Hut. Amar eats pizza and I end up eating spaghetti or pasta. Yes. So yes, so I think I should end the vlog here. I hope you like the recipe and wait for my next vlog next Sunday. Till then, you take care. Follow me on Instagram for all the reviews of every product that I use. And even if you want me to use and review something, let me know. Bye.